So with this demonstration, I'm illustrating how you navigate the My Accounting Lab or the Pearson system to locate your interactive presentations. So you go and select My Accounting Lab Course Home. Now your screen may not look like this because it's got instructor and students on it. So I'm here under student links. So you should see this one, My Accounting Lab Course Home. So when you select that, you will come into the next screen here, and the next screen, what you want to select are lessons. So select lessons, then select chapters 1 and 2. So now when you want to view the interactive presentation, there's lots of other resources available here that I recommend. You can look at, for example, some demo videos of various concepts and so on. So there's lots of really good interactive types of information here for you, along with practice quizzes. So remember though, a practice quiz is not the one you want to be using to get marks. You can recommend that you practice your quizzes, but that's not the one that you get marks for, and we'll explain that later. So here what I want to show you is where you find your interactive presentations on each chapter. So select your presentation, and then you can just start your lesson right here. And to move this along from one page to the next is just advance your arrow here and so on, and read each section. So now here where you have these boxes and the description here, so this description pertains to planning. When you want to read about directing, press on directing and the information will come up. Controlling, again, the information on controlling. So you get the idea. So I'm just going to skip through a couple of more pages to give you another example. So now this is similar, but if you want to look at the next lot of information, so the first two blocks is just about the primary users of managerial and financial. Then to get information about the purpose, you just click here. To get information on the focus and time dimension, click here, and continue, and so on. So the whole interactive presentation is done in that manner. So you basically can go through the material as slowly or as quickly as you feel necessary, and it's up to you in terms of if you want to just do the textbook, or you can do this instead of, or both. It just depends on what works better for your learning style. So the idea with this course is to give you lots of options in terms of how to learn the material. So you don't have to do everything. You don't have to do the book plus the interactive presentations plus the PowerPoints. Again, it's more giving you options that will aid you in your ability to grasp the material. So that concludes the illustration on how to find your interactive presentations.